Ain't true, bet that up for the track. You gonna take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Hey everyone! Get ready to discover 15 amazing gadgets that can make your life smarter, easier, and more fun. From clever home tools to cool tech accessories, these must-have picks are designed to save time, boost comfort, and add excitement to your daily routine. Whether you love innovation or just enjoy useful products, this collection has something for everyone. Watch till the end and find your next favorite gadget that you'll definitely want to own today. So, let's get started. Number 15 is Ugreen UNO 65-watt USB-C charger block. This charger block is currently available with a 31% discount, bringing the price down to around $34. This unique charger features a fun robot-shaped design with an LED screen that displays different expressions based on charging status. Its magnetic feet allow it to stick to metal surfaces like refrigerators or computers. Powered by GaN technology, it delivers fast and efficient 65W charging, capable of charging a MacBook Air to 51% in just 30 minutes. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB port, it can power up to 3 devices simultaneously while ensuring safety with advanced protection features. The next is Number 14. SHARGEEK 170 Power Bank. This power bank is available for around $169. With 170 watts total output, it can charge 3 devices simultaneously through 2 140-watt USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. The power bank features 140 WPD3, 1 two-way charging, recharging in just 45 minutes. Its transparent design includes a smart display for monitoring charging power, time, and battery level. IP66 water resistance ensures durability against dust and water, while wide compatibility supports over 1,000 devices for fast charging. The next is Number 13. ICEMAG 3 MagSafe Portable Charger. Get this portable charger for around $79. It offers Qi 225W wireless charging for iPhone 17, 16, 15, and 14, ensuring fast, cable-free power. With a 35W USB-C port, it supports fast charging for devices like MacBook Air and iPad. The built-in stand allows hands-free use, while the transparent design with RGB glow adds style. It features a side-mounted USB-C cable for easy holding and safe charging with an efficient fan system, perfect for gaming or travel. The next is Number 12. Wyze Scale Ultra Body Scan Smart Scale. This smart scale is now available with a 19% discount, priced at approximately $113. This scale offers precision with a built-in handle and 8 smart electrodes, measuring arms, legs, and torso individually for more personalized results. It provides an advanced body composition PDF report, including segmental data, to help track progress. The 4.3-inch full-color display, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity allow for seamless data sharing, syncing for up to 8 users, and automatic uploads even without your phone nearby. The next is Number 11 is MOFT Dynamic Folio Case for iPad Air. This dynamic folio case for iPad Air delivers premium versatility at around $49. Designed with over 20 adjustable angles, it smoothly adapts from work mode to creative setups. Its innovative folding structure lifts your iPad by 2 inches, promoting better posture and comfortable viewing between 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Weighing just 10.3 ounces, it adds protection without bulk. Powerful N52 magnets ensure a secure hold, while the durable fiberglass build keeps your device stable. Sleek, lightweight, and smartly engineered, this folio enhances productivity wherever you go. The next is Number 10. Insta360 Link 2PTZ 4K Webcam. This webcam delivers studio-quality performance at around $199, making it ideal for creators, streamers, and professionals. Powered by a 1/2 sensor, it captures sharp 4K video with HDR and impressive low-light clarity. Advanced AI noise canceling ensures your voice stays clear, even in busy environments. Phase detection autofocus keeps every shot crisp and perfectly focused, while natural bokeh creates a DSLR-like depth effect. With smart AI tracking, the camera pans and tilts to follow your movements. Gesture and smartphone controls make zooming, framing, and mode switching effortless for a seamless, modern setup. The next is Number 9. BANGE Anti-Theft Backpack. This backpack is designed for modern professionals who value safety and style. It features a high-strength zinc alloy smart lock to protect your valuables and dedicated compartments for a 15.6-inch laptop and 11-inch tablet. Built with waterproof Oxford fabric and a sealed zipper, it keeps your gear safe from rain. An external USB 3.0 fast charging port powers your devices on the move, while breathable mesh padding and adjustable straps ensure all-day comfort for work, travel, and daily adventures. The next is Number 8. Anker Steam Deck Dock. This deck dock transforms your gaming setup into a complete desktop experience. This 6-in-1 USB-C hub features 100-watt fast charging, 4K at 60Hz HDMI output, ultra-fast 1 Gbps Ethernet, and multiple high-speed USB ports. Enjoy smooth visuals, lag-free online gaming, and easy connections for controllers, keyboards, and accessories. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect companion to unlock the full potential of your Steam Deck at home or on the go. The next is Number 7. NOMVDIC R150 Mini Projector. This mini projector delivers impressive performance at around $89, making home entertainment truly portable. Its unique 90-degree rotatable lens lets you project on walls, ceilings, or floors without a tripod. Built-in battery and Harman Kardon speaker provide up to 4 hours of movie time and 7 hours of music. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auto keystone correction, and screen sizes from 30 to 100 inches, it's perfect for any room or adventure. The next is Number 6. OLIGHT IMINI 2 EDC Keychain Flashlight. Don't let the size fool you. The OLIGHT IMINI 2 is a brilliant everyday carry essential for just $19. This ultra-compact flashlight delivers a clean 50-lumen beam and turns on instantly by detaching from its magnetic cap. With built-in USB charging, it fully recharges in only 60 minutes. No cables needed. The magnetic base allows hands-free use on metal surfaces, while its rugged aluminum body survives daily wear. Lightweight, durable, and always ready, it's the perfect keychain light you'll actually use. The next is Number 5. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Stay protected anywhere with the water filter, a compact lifesaver for hikers, campers, travelers, and emergency preparedness. Now available with a 17% discount for around $16, it offers unbeatable value and peace of mind. This powerful filter removes 99.99% of harmful bacteria, 99.99% of parasites, and even microscopic microplastics, turning unsafe water into clean, drinkable water instantly. No batteries or chemicals needed. Tested to strict US EPA and NSF standards, it delivers trusted performance in real-world conditions. With a lifespan of up to 4,000 liters, one LifeStraw can last for years. Plus, every purchase helps provide safe drinking water to a child in need, protection that truly makes a difference. The next is Number 4. Accsoon Toprig Video Slider. Upgrade your videos instantly with the Toprig Video Slider, a must-have tool for filmmakers and content creators who want smooth, cinematic motion. Available for around $319, this 60 cm motorized slider offers panoramic, time-lapse, and loop shooting modes to bring creative storytelling to life. Its ultra-low power consumption delivers up to 60 hours of runtime, perfect for long outdoor or studio shoots. Control it effortlessly using onboard buttons or the Bluetooth Toprig app with precise speed and point adjustments. Designed for horizontal, vertical, or angled setups, it supports cameras, smartphones, and action cams, making professional quality motion shots easier than ever. The next is Number 3. EDC Pry Bar Multi-Tool. Discover the EDC Pry Bar Multi-Tool, a compact yet powerful everyday carry essential for those who value practicality and durability. Now with an 8% discount at around $35, it's a versatile tool you'll reach for every day. The heavy-duty pry bar tackles tough jobs, while the bi-directional ratchet screwdriver with flathead and crosshead bits ensures quick fixes anywhere. The magnetic pen is fireproof, waterproof, and smash-proof, never running out of ink. Complete with wrenches, crowbar, bottle opener, and box cutter, this all-in-one multi-tool is perfect for daily use, travel, outdoor adventures, or gifting. Small size, huge capability. The next is number 2. Anker MagGo Power Bank. Experience ultimate convenience with the Anker MagGo Power Bank, now 34% off for just around $59. Qi2 certified 15W wireless charging powers your iPhone quickly and safely, reaching 50% in only 44 minutes. Its smart display keeps you updated with real-time charging info, while the 10,000 mAh battery offers up to 1.8 full charges. The built-in stand provides hands-free comfort, making it perfect for daily use or travel. Compact, powerful, and easy to carry, the Anker MagGo ensures your devices stay charged anytime, anywhere, fast, reliable, and effortlessly smart. The next is number 1. ONO Roller. Handheld fidget toy for adults. Looking for a way to stay calm and focused? The ONO Roller is designed to deliver smooth, silent motion that melts away stress without breaking your concentration. Now available at 20% off for just around $22, it's the perfect addition to your daily routine. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere, at work, home, or school. The patented roller design provides endless ways to fidget, relax, or even massage your hands, offering both fun and relief. Built with premium, durable materials, the ONO Roller is incredibly satisfying to use. Once you try it, you won't want to put it down. The next is